Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this channel, and today I would like to make a very short video with a quick overview of what's going on financial markets, both cryptocurrency and stock markets. So let's get started. At first, guys, let's look at the chart of Bitcoin and look at this new formation, which is around 31k. And as you can see, guys, this is the local maximum. And we see that there is no rejection from this level, so we haven't seen the price going down or plummeting as you like. We can see a consolidation on this level, which means that there will be lots of retail traders who will think this way. This is the level. So this is the upper bound of this range, which means that we're most likely to fall down. And I suppose that there will be most of the traders who will think this way. And guys, if we look at S&P 500 short liquidations, we still have lots of shorts to liquidate. And it would be really nice for Bitcoin to actually make a squeeze and go to the levels of $36,000 to $38,000. I don't have this chart now, but I'll show it in the next video because I think I need some time to open it. I forgot to do that for this video, but it doesn't matter because I'll be able to shoot one more video with the overview of CME chart. If you open CME chart, you'll see that there is a gap around $38,000. And as you know, guys, there is a tendency to close as many gaps as possible, and it will magnetize the price of Bitcoin to the level of $38,000. Of course, that's not a financial recommendation. I personally do not invest in Bitcoin. You know my strategy. I'm an investor in altcoins and NFT stuff, so I just tell you what might be going on Bitcoin price, so that if you hold Bitcoins, you could maybe make any sense from the information that I'm providing you with. So if you open CME chart, you'll see a gap here, and we might go to close it. By the way, lots of traders, I'm absolutely sure of it, that lots of retail traders will open short positions from this level. Why? Because it's the sexiest thing you could do on this chart. Just like from the student's book. Go lower from the upper bound. And guys, I remember that I made a promise to make this video as short as possible, so let's move on. So I still haven't removed this triangle from the chart of S&P 500. And guys, we saw a test of this level that was a local high, and we've just broken this trend in the upwards direction. So which means that the bearish market on S&P 500 has changed to bullish one. And now we might see S&P 500 reaching even higher levels. Just a quick reminder, short liquidations are going on, and there are still lots of shorts to liquidate, so there is even more potential for S&P 500 to go. And I suppose that the next targets that we might reach could be 4,600 points. That will show, I suppose, that it's a really realistic goal for S&P 500 because there is still fuel to go there, and this is a logical point. Let's move on. Now, guys, we're getting closer and closer to the historical event. As you can see here, right from 1972, there is a tendency of Federal Reserve interest rate to decline during each cycle. Each bearish market makes Federal Reserve to raise the key interest rate. And they do it less, less, and less. And as you can see, this tendency was until now. So in 2022, in 2020 till 2021, there was an increase of Federal Reserve rate up to 2.4%. Right after it, we saw coronavirus dump, and of course, the key interest rate plummeted to zero straight away. But for now, guys, you can see that this key interest rate is the same, absolutely the same as it was during the real estate recession in 2007-2008 in the United States and consequently all over the world. So, and as you remember, that was a really great recession. And then, guys, which is more interesting, that people expect Federal Reserve to raise key interest rate from 5.25 up to 5.50, which will mean that there will be a change in the trend here. What will follow, God knows, but we're getting closer and closer to this moment. So guys, by the way, what do you think? Will Federal Reserve make even more increases in key interest rate, or will they just change their opinion and start pushing this stuff down? Write in the comments below after this video. So guys, that's all for today. I hope that this video was useful for you and you managed to get some tips from this video, and maybe it could help you to improve your investing and trading strategies. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give this video a like if you really liked it, or give this video a dislike if you didn't like the content at all. So subscribe to this channel if you want to follow me, and for now, get out of here. See you in the next video, by the way.